Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be picking up the winner of our t-shirt giveaway, our 1000 subscriber giveaway. So this is the t-shirt that I'm giving up away. It's a really nice design by me. Hopefully you guys like this. If you like this design, go ahead to my website at simplymerchstore.com, and there you probably can see this t-shirt, or I might not have set it up yet. But in the meantime, go check out my website and see if there's anything you like, and yeah, and help support the channel. So remember I said that I will picking up the winner at the end of September, or until we have 10 people with the hashtag simply merch giveaway. So far we only have 4 people, so I'm gonna pick the winner from those 4. And if you guys can see, I only have 1, 2, 3, and 4 people with the hashtag. So I'll be just picking up the winner from our wheel here. And what I like to do is gonna be an elimination kind of raffle. So whoever's name is gonna be left at the end is gonna be our winner. So let's go. So our first one, oh, that one WRX, sorry. You have been removed. Next one. Ooh, Full Send Auto, sorry. So we are left with 2 people and see who is the winner. Oh no, Mr. Josh, sorry. So our winner is Milk Cup. Congratulations. Congratulations. I'll be contacting you soon, and all you have to do is just make sure that you're proof that you're subscribed to my channel, and give me your address, and I'll send that t-shirt to you. And for those of you who didn't win, you can check out my website at simplymerchstore.com, and you can see if there's anything you like, and yeah, pick the design and t-shirt or hoodie and help support the channel. And our next giveaway is gonna be at 5,000 subscribers, so hopefully I'll see you guys then. I'm not sure what the giveaway is yet, but thanks for supporting the channel, and I'll make sure to give you guys some good contents in the future. Yeah, so I'll be emailing the winner, Milk Cup. So yeah, thanks for playing, guys, and hopefully see you guys on the next episode. See ya, bye.